to all my dear students, teachers, and other staff members. This year, we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of India's independence, and I would like to congratulate you all for the same. This occasion instills a sense of love, respect, loyalty, and harmony towards the country and remind all of us for our duties. India is a country of unity in diversity, and this diversity should be our greatest strength. This day reminds us to respect and protect our freedom, which we have earned after a lot of sacrifices. Keeping in view the national growth, we need to be honest and loyal towards whatever we do, as honesty is the foundation of both personal and professional life. This year, my special message for all of you would be to emphasize more on environmental sustainability by keeping our surrounding clean, planting more trees, saving water, and taking up initiatives for decreasing pollution can make our country a better place to live. As good citizens of India, let us put extra efforts into performing our social responsibilities, which will surely take up our country to greater heights. Thank you. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the celebration of our independence. India attained independence on this day in year 1947 after several years of struggle. We paid a heavy price to gain this independence. Our freedom fighters, who were striving for freedom and organizing marches, movements, and were privy to many injustices. Yet, they never gave up. The Jawans and soldiers accompanied such leaders and also lost their lives. The great freedom fighters include Netaji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mangal Pandey, and many more who struggled for decades. It is because of their zeal and dedication, the passion for nationalism didn't survive. They protected the Sone Ki Chiriya, which refers to golden bird. That was referred to our nation due to the abundance of treasure and heritage. It is because of such fighters in Jawan we are breathing in an independent nation. And without any further ado, let's start the celebration. Thank you and happy Independence Day.
आप महानुभावों का मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ। हिमालय संतरी बन चौकसी हर रोज करते हैं, नदी झरने समंदर मस्तियाँ और मौज करते हैं, चुनरी थानी पहनकर ऋतु बसंती इत्र मलती हैं, ये हिंदुस्तान है जिसको प्यारा देश कहते हैं। नमस्कार, मैं अंशिका शर्मा आवाहन करती हूँ उन विद्यार्थियों का जो हंसी लफ्ज पर मगर दिल में बड़ा तूफान रखते हैं, हथेली पर वतन के वास्ते सब जान रखते हैं, है अलबेला है मस्ताना बड़ा ये देश क्या कहना, यहाँ के बच्चे रग रग में हिंदुस्तान रखते हैं। इसी भावना के साथ ओत प्रोत सामूहिक गीत के बच्चों को डिजिटल मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
कंधे से आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं। जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछी जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, कि तुम मेरे ये घर सोना सोना है। हो 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 सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा। हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा, हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा।
बहुत सुंदर स्वरों से सजाया है आप सभी ने। इस कड़ी को और आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी नृत्य नाटिका के नायक नायिकाओं को। कृपया मंच पर आएं और अपनी प्रस्तुति दें।
की मोहब्बत से खुद को तपाए बैठे हैं, मरेंगे वतन के लिए शर्त मौत से लगाए बैठे हैं। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
दुश्मन की कोई होगा सामना हम करेंगे, आजाद है आजादी रहेंगे।
मेरे जज्बातों से इस कदर वाकिफ है मेरी कलम, अगर मैं इश्क भी लिखना चाहूँ तो इनकलाब लिखा जाता है। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। आज दुनिया देखेगी कि वतन के लोग बेजुबान नहीं हैं, उनका खून अभी तक ठंडा नहीं हुआ है। वे अपने देश के लिए अपने प्राणों की आहुति देने को तैयार हैं। If every Indian doesn't bow before us, we will crush them. Now it's time for dispensing. Let's go.
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू।
अर्पित वतन पे ललन चाहिए, भगत आजाद गुरु जैसे रतन चाहिए। मृत्यु के बाद यदि जन्म मिले फिर से, तो भारत ही हमें अपना वतन चाहिए।
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब। इतनी सुंदर प्रस्तुति देने के लिए आप सभी साथियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Where the mind is without fear, where the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Into that heaven of freedom, Father, let my country awake, let my country awake. Good morning everyone. Honorable CEO APCPL, Mr. Asit Datta, AGM HR Mr. Prabhat Ram, CFO Mr. Sanjay Bhardwaj, Secretary Manager Mr. Harsh Kumar, our Principal Mr. Anil Kumar Garg, BBPS staff, parents and my dear students. A very pleasant morning to one and all. I, Kapila Rekhi, on behalf of BBPS Jhardi, would like to propose a vote of thanks to all who have contributed to the success of today's program on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day. My words may not suffice to express the sense of gratitude to APCPL authorities, our Secretary Manager Mr. Harsh Kumar, our Principal Mr. Anil Kumar Garg for their expert and able guidance in all the endeavours. Thank you from the core of my heart. It gives me immense pleasure to thank all the teachers and the supporting staff for their cooperation and support. I am thankful to all the worthy parents to show faith in us. I also take the opportunity to congratulate all my children for their vivacious participation and involvement in today's program during the tough phase of COVID-19. We are highly indebted to doctors, nurses, police personnel and other health workers who have been continuously on the forefront in the battle against the prevailing pandemic. The true epitome of patriotism must be saluted. Courage, true spirit and unbeatable determination are the key traits which are required to preserve our liberty for long, which we cherish because of many heroes who laid their lives to save our dear motherland. Thank you all. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.